Welcome back to my studio. I'm Stephen. We talked about Audiosigma before, but today we're going to be talking about this new one called the MICHERO DSP. MICHERO DSP. We talked about this before, actually, on my last video. We talked about these two right here. And these two are excellent. And we had the Solo Mobile, which was the first one. And this was missing some features, so they came out with another one called the MikeHero and added a lot more features. And again, we went over this in the other video, so please see the link below for that one. But today we're going to be looking at this one. This is the MICHERO DSP. And Fernando was nice enough to give me a beautiful little message there on the side of the box. Let's open it up and take a look at what is inside. You want to know, I want to know. Let's look. All right, so inside, oh God, I'm smacking into the light. Okay, move the coffee. All right, move the coffee. All right, here it is. It comes in a really nice little case here. These are like little bumpers. Okay, cool. Let's get that out of the way. Let's see. Case, open the case. And inside, ooh, yes, it looks familiar. It looks very familiar. But we're going to find some additional things. Let's pull it out here. Oh, look at that. It comes with some a dongle here for, it looks like it used for with an iPad or iPhone or something like that. Some connections there for USB and a USB-C and a lightning adapter for your iPhone, iPad, or what have you. Cool. All right, what else? We have a USB to USB-C. That's nice. Nice little cloth cable. Now let's look over this one, which is USB-C to USB-C. That's also very nice. All right, so that seems to be limited. Whatever's in there is gone. All right, and here is the unit itself. It looks very similar to the last one. Audiosigma is a lot bigger. I noticed that right off the bat. These two look the same. Still has two headphone outs, XLR in the middle there. And let's see. On the back is where things get a lot different. And as you can see on the new one here, there are a row of buttons. And you have Denoise, you have limiter, you have depop, and you have EQ. And there's a loopback feature, which was not there before. So in lieu of all the switches that were on there, he put these little nice little switches here, and we'll take a look at that when I plug it in. And we'll see. And there's some other things. Let's jump right into this. Let's hook it up and see how we do. We need the cable, man. Oh my God! I need the cable. Okay, no, the cable's right here. Okay, everybody relax. All right. Stand by while we plug it in. Woo! Was that a struggle? It's kind of early for me. Okay. Let's plug it in. See what it does. So we get some lights here. And on the back, oh, look at all the lights. Yikes. So these are what I was talking about. So there's different levels of that you can use on these for different settings, for different parameters. And we'll look over everything here. Let us plug it in. Let's plug the mic in. Because the mic right now is going to my other interface. But let's plug it into this one. I'm smacking into everything. Hold on a second. All right, we're back. We got it all hooked up. Let's take a look at what we got here. So we have it plugged in, and as you can see, the first thing I see is that when I'm talking now, you can hear the level is going on the front, and that's cool. Hello, testing, boop, boop, boop. Yeah, that works. Sorry, the mute works. I was talking while I was hitting the mute. Big dummy. Here's the gain. You can hear that works. Wow. And what I hear is very nice, clean, and clear. So I was looking for that. It's as you expect from Audiosigma. Now, on the back here, you can see that all these things are lit up. Let's take them off because, woo! All right, we want the raw and unfiltered. I guess we should turn on the touch button here. And that switch will enable you or disable these buttons so you can't press them anymore. And that's important. Because, you know, I pushed all of them just when I was messing with them. Okay, so let's go through the different ones here. Turn off the touch prevention. Bloop. And now we can turn on the denoise, for example. And so this will take out noise at different levels. So you have one level, you have a green level, you have a yellow level, and a red level. And so the denoise is going to have more intensity as each one progresses. Oh, and there's also a blue one. Ooh. And then off. And the limiter is the same. So that would enable you not to overrun your signal into the this unit here. Hello, hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Woo! And so again, different levels of limiters. So that's cool. And then off. And the same thing with depop. So beep, 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 ba-doop, ba-doop, pop, pop, beep, beep, beep. And then, of course, different levels of that. Red and then off. So there's 3 levels of that. And then EQ. EQ is going to sweeten this. And the more I hit it, the more sweetening. 105.9, your smooth jazz alternative. Yeah. All right, so that's off. So that all works great. So the loopback feature is very important because if you're dealing with someone who's online and you're being directed and you need to hear them, they need to hear you, you have your loopback switch right here. So again, very convenient. This sounds great. I'm just recording it here with my Logic Pro 10, and that's how you're hearing it, just straight in. And I also I'm using a Rode, what is this thing? An NTG 2. So I think this is a great little unit. Fernando is such a great guy and such a great engineer and puts these things together by hand. They're amazing. I can't recommend them enough. I have so many now I can juggle them. I won't because it would be an expensive disaster if I dropped them, but it would be slightly entertaining. Well, that's what I have to say about this beautiful Audiosigma DSP MikeHero. Everyone should go pick one up and use it for good, not for evil, because we all know it's not where it's at. I've been Stephen. You've been fantastic. Audiosigma. Hands off to them. 2 thumbs up. Fantastic. And until next time, woo!